Macbook suddenly has no Wi-Fi, and the signal is very weak. This is an M4 MacBook Pro A3401. Maybe you have encountered the Wi-Fi cannot be turned on, or the signal is very weak and can't search for surrounding signals. Before replacing the Wi-Fi chip, we need to record the original hardware information and write the hardware information into the new Wi-Fi chip. Use a heat gun to carefully remove the chip and clean the pads. Solder the Wi-Fi chip with written data. The whole process requires very professional and careful operation. Every small mistake, excessive temperature or handling of solder pads can cause damage to the chip or even the entire motherboard. We are a professional repair team. We can provide you with all years of MacBook motherboard repair services. We support global MacBook repair services. Water damage to the motherboard, liquid damage, circuit faults, data failure, memory and hard drive expansion, and other services. We can repair all faults. We also support peer repair cooperation. If you are interested in our business, you can check the contact information in the channel's intro. Looking forward to working with you.